Welcome to Funny Bunny Storytime. Today's book is George's Hiccups from Peppa Pig. Let's read. Peppa and George are having breakfast. George, don't drink your juice too quickly, warns Daddy Pig, but George gulps down his juice. Hiccup! Hee hee, now George has the hiccups, Peppa says. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup! George's hiccups won't stop, not even when he goes outside to play. Hiccup! I know how you cure your hiccups, George, says Peppa, but you must do exactly as I say. Rub your tummy and head, says Peppa, and jump up and down on one leg. Hiccup! George rubs his head and tummy and jumps on one leg. Hiccup, George hiccups again. I know another way to cure hiccups, says Peppa. Wave your arms and stick your tongue out. George does exactly what Peppa says, but the hiccups still don't stop. Hiccup. Try closing your eyes and spinning around quickly, says Peppa 3 times. Hiccup. George closes his eyes and spins around quickly. 1, 2, 3. But he gets dizzy and falls over. Hiccup! To try to stop your hiccups, I'm going to surprise you, says Peppa. Remember, George, this is just pretend surprising. It's only a game to stop your hiccups. George nods. Hiccup! Peppa jumps up and down, flaps her arms, then sticks her tongue out. Then she makes a very loud noise. Boo! George starts to cry. Wah! Peppa, you mustn't play so roughly with George, says Mummy Pig. He's only little. Sorry, Mummy, says Peppa, but look, I've cured George's hiccups. Daddy Pig brings out some glasses of juice. Peppa and George take one each. George, cries Mummy Pig, if you drink too quickly, you'll get the hiccups again. Slurp. I'm not as little as George, says Peppa, so I can drink as quickly as I want to. Peppa gulps down all her juice. Suddenly, Peppa starts to hiccup. Hiccup! George's hiccups have gone, but now Peppa has hiccups. George giggles, hee hee. Mommy and Daddy giggle, hee hee. Peppa giggles too, hee hee. Hiccup! The end. Thank you.